Welcome to solverfy.
In this question, we are required to compute this integral. Okay, the key point is actually to compute this guy times e to the power minus mv squared divided by 2 times rt dv. Okay, if we can compute the exact value of this integral, then we only need to simplify the result and get what we want. Okay, now let's consider this integral. Okay, the integral goes from 0 to positive infinity, x cubed times e to the minus a x squared dx. Okay, we want to compute some integral with parameter a, and then once we get the final result, we only need to replace this a by this guy. Okay, as the function in this integral is a multiplication of some nice function, so we know we want to use the method called the integration by part. Okay, but before doing the integration by part, we can first do some replacement to make our integral easy. Okay, first let's define t to be x to the power 2. Then we know what x goes from 0 to positive infinity. So does t, right? T also goes from 0 to positive infinity. And make this, by this replacement, we know this integral will become, and now we have dx, 2x dx will be equal to dt. So it will be 1/2 t times e to the power at dt. Okay, now we don't have some higher order, so this integral is much easier for us to deal with. So it will be equal to sky times 1 over minus a d e to the power minus a t times t. And by integration by part, it will be equal to minus a t and minus 2a, t divided by minus 2a, and e to the power a t, and t in value a t, positive infinity and 0. And minus this one, integral goes from 0 to infinity, and the function here will be dt times e to the power at. Right, this is so-called integration by part. Notice the first term is 0 because when t approaches positive infinity, this term goes to 0, and it goes to 0 tremendously. I mean, this term will not influence the result when t is equal to 0 and it is just 0. So we know the final result will be 2a, and we have an integral goes from 0 to positive infinity, e to the power minus t dt, and it will be minus 2a squared d e to the power minus at. Right, so it will be minus 1 divided by 2a squared e to the power minus at, evaluate at positive infinity and 0. And this is actually equal to 2a squared over 1 over 2a squared. That means our v bar will be actually equal to, okay, let's just keep those coefficients in the very first beginning. Square root of 8 r to the power 3 over 4 t to the power 3 over 4 times 1/2 times 1 over a squared. What is a? A now is equal to m divided by 2rt. Okay. Then we have 4r squared t squared over m squared. Now, make some simplification. Look at, okay, we have square root of a divided by pi, because we just combine those things. Here we have, cancel m, and we have 1/2 here, m to the power 1/2, and cancel r, we have r and t, we have rt to the power 1/2, and finally we have a times rt, square root of 2 times rt divided by pi m. This is what we want. Okay.